Hey loves, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create 4 different looks based on one protective hairstyle. I parted the front half of my hair in zigzags and then cornrowed. So the front part is braided but the back is completely out. Now that the front is completely braided, I'm now going to detangle the back of my hair. I'm starting off with Diva Curl's No Comb Detangling Spray and then adding a little bit of oil from the Main Choice Heavenly Halo Collection Serum Oil Mist. I'm using a Denman brush to detangle my hair from the ends to the roots. And side note, I am working on day 3, day 4 here, which is the reason why I'm detangling. So you know what? Save myself a few extra more days until wash day. I am all for it. To sleek my hair up, I'm using Curl's Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste with the flat contour brush, and I am just smoothing out. Yes, this is for edges, but this is also my go-to for updos and sleep buns. And then we tighten this up in a high ponytail, sleek it around, and then give one more wrap, and bam, that's the first look. Cute little bun. Let me not fall and die. Okay, and smile, and on to the second look. Next, we're going to continue the part from the center of the crown all the way down. And now we're going to brush up and create 2 pigtails. Once you're done with your fancy pigtails, you're going to twist your hair and then wrap it around to create a bun and then lock it in place with a few bobby pins. Alright, so we repeat the same step on the other side. Don't forget to add your bobby pins. And voila, that is your second look. Cute little space buns. On to the next look. So now we're going to take everything out, take a break from updos. We're going to bring the hair down. I am creating 2 big braids, combining my cornrows with the hair that I have out. I'm starting from the braid from the crown all the way down. Be sure to collect all your hair as you're continuing this braid so there's no surprises by the time you're done on this side. I'm just taking my fingers just to wrap the ends around to keep it in place. If you're a big fan of this look and you see yourself wearing this style all day, then definitely put small rubber bands at the end so you don't have to worry about rebraiding and fixing. I'm definitely putting my little fingers to work, but that is quite alright because we're done with the third look. On to the fourth and the very last. This one is super easy. You're taking the look you just created and you are going to place bobby pins to bring them up. What you're not going to do is apply bobby pins first and instead of the crown because they're going to pop open like you just saw. Start from the center of the first half and then apply your bobby pins in the center of the crown. The more bobby pins to secure the braids, the better. Just make sure that they are not visible. And bam, those are my 4 looks, and now I get to enjoy an extra couple of days until wash day. I'll see you all soon.